In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom back your lost drawing in AutoCAD. It's a common situation. You're focused on your design work when suddenly, after some zooming in or out, your drawing seems to have vanished. Don't worry, it's likely still there, just out of view. Let's go step by step to get it back on your screen quickly and efficiently. Imagine you've been working hard on your latest project. You've zoomed in to focus on some small details or panned out to get a broader view when you suddenly realize your drawing has disappeared. It's an unsettling feeling, but there's no need to panic. AutoCAD offers a simple solution for this situation, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, direct your attention to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. This is where you'll type commands that tell the software to perform specific functions. Begin by typing the word zoom, or to save time, just the letter Z. Once you've done that, press the Enter key. This action prepares AutoCAD to perform a zoom function based on your next command. Now we have a range of options for how to execute this zoom action. Since we're trying to zoom to fit all your elements within the viewport, type A for all and then press Enter. This command will instantly zoom out to show all the objects in your workspace, effectively bringing your drawing back into view. It's a fantastic tool when your drawing feels lost in space, especially after an unintentional zoom or pan. But let's say you prefer using your mouse instead of typing commands. AutoCAD accommodates that preference too. With just a few clicks, you can recover your drawing with minimal effort. Simply double-click the middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel. This works similarly to the Zoom Extents command, adjusting the view to display everything within your workspace. Both methods, whether typing on the command line or using your mouse, perform this task seamlessly, helping you regain perspective on all your hard work. Keeping these tips in mind will help reduce frustration when your drawing slips away during a complex project. Always remember, with just a simple command or mouse action, you can navigate your AutoCAD workspace masterfully and maintain control over your creative process. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.